I think she still remembers the scooter number. She still. What was that? It was Delhi number.
DLZ.
Okay.
65 67
6561.
65.
DLZ 6561. She remembered the number. No. After some time, after passing Delhi 1 month, I became again crazy, just wanted to meet her. Now, how to meet? I cannot go to Haridwar. I just sent a telegram through my assistant. The wording was, Kumar Sahib accidented, bone fractured. Come see last phase. So the very next day, early in the morning, I wrote, Kumar Sahib accidented. I'm not sending that. Telegram is from my assistant. Kumar Sahib accidented, bone fractured. Come see last phase.
Just by fracture, come see last phase.
At 7 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, she arrives at my hostel along with her mother. I was just sleeping. I got up. I was shocked. And I felt shamed and causing so much inconvenience, especially to her mother. Then I find it was not correct on my part too. So,
Sure. आपसे अपनी खुशी तो छुपाई नहीं छुप रही होगी.
बड़ी मम्मा ने आपको कुछ बोला नहीं फिर? बड़ी मम्मा ने कुछ बोला नहीं आपको? आप एक बार इनके लिए चिलगोजे भी छील के लिए थे?
Both.
She sent me 1 kg of that tilgoje बोलते क्या बोलते हो तो? Tilgoje. Neje. Tilgoze.
नेजे.
1 kg parcel. But what will I do with 1 kg of them? I had to distribute to my friends there.
यशपाल जी, अगर आपको बिमल जी को कोई गाना डेडिकेट करना होगा तो आप क्या गाना इनके लिए डेडिकेट?
She sings along with me.
She does?
She sings along with me.
So let's have a few lines, Deepa.
गाना तो हम करेंगे definitely. This was continued. I passed out. After clearing the exams, I then shifted to Lucknow. अरे हाँ, train. That was very important thing, हाँ. In 1973, yes, when I was doing some project. 1970 project will come later on, after. I went to Lucknow. Lucknow में we had Hotel de Paris and Class
मैं
Hotel.
सारा पूरा
There were air conditioning projects. This lasted for nearly 8 to 10 months.
स्पीड इधर अपना शुरू से सारा पूरा.
Papa used to make certain springs and she used to test along and she still remembers. Then she used to take the readings and help Papa in that.
The load versus deflection diagram reading. So she used to help me. Although she is MA in political science, masters in Hindi medium, but she taught all the children in English medium. And with God's grace, my son is an engineer today. My daughter is a doctor. Another daughter is an architect. It's all because of her effort, not me. I was busy in my project. She used to take care of her. And during 1973, I was having a project. So she was alone at home. I used to carry her along with me most of the projects. So 1973, around 7:10 in the morning, I used to carry the train to Tarapur, Boisar. I was just walking down from the stairs, and because I was having some luggage, she had come down onto the platform. By the time the train started moving, gave a signal, started moving. She took an immediate decision because I had not reached till. So she went inside, pulled the chain, and just came out. That brave effect. And the TC came. By the time I came down from the and boarded the train, and the TC came and found who pulled the chain. She politely said, "My husband was outside. I had to pull the chain." So she was just 23 years that moment. We got married in 71 when she was 20 and a half. Huh? Oh, रूपम सिनेमा मूवी में हम ये क्या करते हैं, वहाँ हमेशा हम जाते थे, शाम के जाते थे, हमेशा टिकट ब्लैक मिलती थी, 9 से 12 का शो है, मिलता है, 5 की टिकट 8 मिलती है, हमने 5 की टिकट हमेशा 8 के लेते थे। एकदम हम मस्ती करेंगे, चलो बाजीगर ने पूछा, भाई साहब आपने टिकट कितने में ली? तो बोलते हैं 8 रुपए की। मैंने बोला मैंने तो 7 रुपए की ली। अरे जनाब उसकी तो सारा पिक्चर सत्यानाश हो गई।
थैंक यू सो मच यशपाल जी एंड बिमल जी।
बिमल वांट्स
आप 2 लाइन इनसे गवा दीजिए और 2 लाइन आप गा दीजिए।
100 साल पहले
मुझे तुमसे प्यार था,
आज भी है
और कल भी रहेगा। एक और कहते हैं, तुम तसल्ली न दो सिर्फ बैठे रहो, तुम तसल्ली न दो सिर्फ बैठे रहो,
वक्त भी मेरे मरने का टल जाएगा।
या मसीहा तेरे आने की देर है, या मसीहा तेरे आने की देर है,
मौत का इरादा
बदल जाएगा। In our society, we are known as lovebirds. To be frank with you, everybody does that. Come, lovebirds. Even God has recognized our name and registered our name. Can I tell me which place it is? Which book it is? Just guess. Hanuman Chalisa. Our name is registered. Just recite. Shri Guru Charan Saroj Raj Nijman Mukar Sudhar Varno Raghuvar Bimal Yash
जोदायक फलचार।
Now,
अभी जो यशपाल जी ने हनुमान चालीसा भी इतने ध्यान से सुना और उसमें से भी जब आवाज़ आती है बिमल एंड यश, तो उन्होंने वो भी सुन लिया। मुझे याद आ रहा है मुगले आज़म का वो गाना, जब वो शीश महल में हर तरफ वो दिखती है, मिसेस छुप ना सकेगा इश्क हमारा, चारों तरफ है उनका नज़ारा। यशपाल जी की बातों में द वे द फैमिली इज़ रैलिंग अराउंड देम, that's all we see, love. And that so justifies the title of our program today, Dil Ki Dil Se. We are not here to ask, which political party do you support? What are the degrees you have earned? We are here to learn about the life that you have lived, things that move your heart. यहाँ मैं घर घर खेली, छोड़ आए हम वो गलियाँ. That is what Dil Ki Dil Se is all about. A very big hand for Bimal ji and Yashpal ji.
today our condition has little deteriorated, but I feel if I am looking after her, it is not my sacrifice or something, it's my privilege to be with her.
Absolutely.
Privilege.
Absolutely. Big hand